and I'm back again with another Amazon package. So I'm wondering what's in here because I've never seen anything that's like this, like in a sphere. So that's why I'm here to figure it out. Let's open it. Ooh, look at that. So these are 24 karat gold facial mask. So what you do is first wash your face, put this on your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then right after that, you wash your face again, and then you look 30 times younger than what you were before. And that also removes wrinkles or dark spots on your face. So if I had this little dark spot right here that I wanted to remove, I just need to wash my face, put this on, set it for 15 minutes, wash it again, and it'd be gone. But the problem is that this is not for kids, this is only for adults. Only. So I can't use it. So how did you like this video? If you like it, then like it. If you didn't like it, then still like it. And remember to subscribe and hit the ding 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 bell. Bye! And see you in the next video. And watch all of my videos.